Thank you for contacting KPB Replacement Doors. I'm now going to speak about our 5-piece range, which you can see in display here. We do offer it in 9 wood grain colours. This is the wood grain colour, and we offer it in 9 solid colours. How's a 5-piece door made up? Well, the clue's in the name. You've got 5 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get 4 outer rails and a centre panel. It's an MDF core. Again, the same for the centre panel, although the centre panel is thinner, it's 7mm thick. So you've got the door, which is wrapped in the PVC vinyl, and then edged top and bottom, and then screwed together, dialed together to create a 5-piece look. Hence you have the grain running horizontal, and then you've got the vertical on the sides. One factor about the 5-piece door is with the vinyl travels into this distance here, which means that water does sit in here. It will not regress into behind the door and doesn't make the door swell. The door is very realistic to a wooden door, so hence the reason why that it does look very like a timber door. And people do not realise that it's not a timber door, that's the vinyl wrap door then. So we've got 9 colours in wood grain, the 9 colours being these colours, from graphic to darker to cashmere to white to ivory, with all the major colour schemes covered in the wood grain print. Our latest offering is to do this in the smooth effect, so instead of having a wood grain print, we're going to offer it in the smooth. So you'll see on the website we have 9 colours in it as well, from blue to your grey, to your light grey, to your stone colour. 5-piece door is the classic shaker door, but as it is made from 5-piece vinyl, you have the look, but at a price more reasonable than going with a solid timber door.